I need to build two calculated fields for a beginning and ending date for doing payroll accruals for last year for hourly employees. I'll look at my function types. What I need to do is a build date. A build date will allow you to have a current date and pull pieces of information out to build a new date. So since I know it's a BD, build date, I'll do CFBD, last day of last fiscal year. It's a global. So I'm going to tell I want a specific year, and I already have calculations for the fiscal year only as of July 1st. I need to select that it's going to be June, and I need the 30th of the month. And I always click on return blank date for error. This will be my ending date, so this will be June 30th of whatever the current fiscal year is, which is actually the last day of last fiscal year. I also have to have the starting point, so I will create another calculation, which will be the starting point for the payroll accrual. Again, it's going to be global. Build date. Specific year again. So fiscal year. June again. And the 11th. Let's test this. Last year when I wrote this report, I didn't know as much about calculations as I do now. So these dates are hard-coded in there, and so when they ran it for this year, they had to manually go through and change this, and when we run it next year, they'd have to manually go through and change it again. So I'll edit the report. Go to the prompts and change the hard coding in here to use determine default at runtime. So it was CFBD June 11th and determine value at runtime CFBD last day of last fiscal year. So let's run it again. And it comes up with this fiscal year. Next year when we run this report again, it'll say 2020 instead of 2019.